Tomorrow, Parliament will cast its vote on Constitution Amendment number 3 after nearly 2 weeks of robust debate. Nzarabina mashuku anobuda panguva ine ari kuonekwa kunzi nawo yema-constitutional debates, nawo panguva ino yema-CAB3 votes ino kuchiridza. Panguva ino kuri kuonekwa kunzi pane intimidation kuitika, pane bribery. We have heard kuti pane ma-MPs panguva ino were given ma-10,000 kuti aiwa vakwanise kuvhotera this bill. Panguva ino chinokwa kuti it was not only ma-$10,000 only, but unangwapuwa matons nematons erice kuti anodistribute to their constituencies. Tisarapena mashuka mudanyika panguva ino tubva subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Tiendera mberi mudanyika mchinsi. While only 5 opposition MPs stood in outright opposition to the bill, over 200 members of parliament from across the political divide have expressed support, with some opposition legislators also pledging to vote in favor of the amendment. As Zimbabweans await the final vote, gratitude is due to the citizens who rejected calls for unrest, violence, and disorder by job seeker, choosing instead to allow constitutional processes to unfold peacefully within institutions established by our democracy. And barring an extraordinary political earthquake, CAB3 is a done deal. The arithmetic is always favored its passage. Tomorrow is not about whether the bill survives. It is about formalizing what has been evident throughout these proceedings. Do mashukano mdanyo kwa panguva ine achilukwa kunzi aiwa panguva ine pane ma-tight security is parliament votes. Panguva ine uchinokwa kunzi zvinobuda zvakanaka zvakananda. Panguva ine zvekuda kunyatsosekiwa aiwa zvinhu zvavo kuti zvibudirire according to their plans. Ida comment section medu zafura any more kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like it on the bell icon.